If the United States attacks Iran, global markets won't wait for explanations. They will react instantly. Stocks could fall, oil could spike, crypto could swing violently, the dollar could strengthen. But is that the start of a major crash or just another temporary shock? Today, we're breaking down exactly how a US-Iran conflict could impact the stock market, cryptocurrency, Forex, oil, and gold, and what smart investors watch during moments like this. Let's start with stocks. When geopolitical conflict breaks out, markets hate one thing above all else: uncertainty. The first reaction is usually a wave of selling. Investors reduce risk, institutions move to cash, volatility spikes. Technology stocks often drop first. Growth stocks get hit hard. Emerging markets can fall even faster. But not everything falls. Energy companies may rise because oil prices increase. Defense stocks sometimes move higher as military spending expectations grow. So while the overall market may turn red, certain sectors can actually benefit. The key word here is short-term. Initial moves are emotional. Now let's talk about oil. The Middle East controls a massive portion of global oil supply. If conflict threatens shipping routes, especially near major oil transit corridors, prices can spike quickly. And when oil rises, inflation fears return. Higher oil means higher transportation costs, higher production costs, and more pressure on central banks. If inflation expectations rise again, central banks may delay interest rate cuts, and that can create additional pressure on stock markets. Now the currency market. During global crises, money flows towards safety. The US dollar often strengthens, even if the US is directly involved. Why? Because the dollar remains the world's primary reserve currency. Large institutions move capital into US Treasury assets during uncertainty. Other currencies that may strengthen include the Japanese yen and the Swiss franc. Meanwhile, risk-sensitive currencies, especially emerging markets, may weaken. Forex markets can move extremely fast during geopolitical shocks, sometimes within minutes.